When I first started looking at universities, I wasn't just thinking about the course. I wanted more than just lectures and libraries. Back home, I played hockey every week. I loved the energy and the team spirit. So my parents and I searched for a place that valued sport and study. Moving to the UK was a big step. New place, new people. But when I joined the hockey team, it all clicked. Training, playing, laughing. It wasn't just sport. It's how I found my friends, my rhythm, and my place here. Studying in the UK isn't just helping me grow academically. It's helped me build confidence, find community, and keep playing the sport I love. Here, I'm becoming the person I want to be.